Starting a freelance design business is easier than most people think, especially with the power of AI. You only need 2 free tools, ChatGPT and Canva. These tools simplify the entire design process, making it accessible to everyone. ChatGPT writes your text and gives you design concepts, while Canva builds the graphics in minutes. This combination allows even beginners to deliver professional work. Every business needs design. They constantly need social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers, banners, and more. This ongoing demand creates constant opportunities for freelancers. Here are simple services you can offer: Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, business flyers, event promotions, and real estate graphics. ChatGPT creates the ideas. Use a prompt like, "Act as a creative director." Create 3 layout ideas, 3 color palettes, and write short text for the graphic. ChatGPT will give you full concepts. Choose the version you like, copy the text into Canva, and use the recommended color palette. Inside Canva, search for a template, replace the text, adjust the colors, make small spacing changes, and export your design. To find clients, start with local businesses. Message them on Google Maps and offer 3 free redesign posts. Most businesses will say yes. Also, create a gig on Fiverr called AI-assisted social media design. Clients love fast turnaround, and your workflow makes fast delivery easy. Offer bundles: 3 graphics for a small price, 10 graphics for more income, or a weekly package for ongoing revenue. Scale your business by offering more services. ChatGPT writes the content, Canva designs the visuals, and you deliver the final product. This is a simple and effective AI side hustle that you can start today.